If you use a verb after these 6 verbs, you must have that verb in the gerund or the ing form of the verb. Let's now look at some examples of these verbs with the gerund or the ing form of the verb after. So let's start with verb number 1, and that is to avoid. To avoid. For example, we could say, I avoided driving too fast last night. I avoided driving too fast last night. The second verb, which needs the gerund form after it, is to finish. To finish. So, for example, she finished doing her homework. She finished doing her homework. Then we have to regret. To regret. For example, we could say, I regret having that extra drink last night. I regret having that extra drink last night. Verb number 4 is to suggest. To suggest. So we could say, she suggested applying for the job. She suggested applying for the job. Next we have to recommend. To recommend. So we could say, I recommend going on holiday this Christmas. I recommend going on holiday this Christmas. And finally, we have to enjoy. To enjoy. We could say, she enjoyed eating the dinner last night. She enjoyed eating the dinner last night. Thank you for watching.